The HelpMaster database wizard is used to create, upgrade, or perform maintenance operations on your HelpMaster database. From the main menu, you can choose one of these options. When first installing HelpMaster, or for evaluation purposes, use the first option to create the database. At this point, there may be a short delay as the wizard will attempt to enumerate all of the SQL Server instances it can find on your network. If no SQL servers are displayed in the drop-down box, you can simply type the name of your server. The default authentication method is to use Windows authentication. However, you can change this if you are using a username and password combination. In this step, you can give your HelpMaster database a name, and you can choose whether to start from a blank database or to populate it with sample data. The sample database is useful for evaluation or for training purposes, whereas the blank database is really designed for production use, where you can configure and import the data for your specific business requirements. By default, the HelpMaster database files will be created in the default location for your SQL Server instance. Change these settings or accept the default and click Next. The Working Folders screen is where you can specify the network location where HelpMaster will store files, attachments, reports, and other artifacts that are used by the product. This location should be a network location that all users of HelpMaster are able to access with read and write permissions. If you're just evaluating HelpMaster on a single machine, the default location on the C drive is fine. This setting can always be changed later from within the program. Review the summary of the settings and click Apply to create the database. Once the database has been created, you'll be able to log in using the username admin and the password.